Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And tonight we are checking in and reporting from the Hotel El Panama in Panama City, Panama. We just checked in. We got here around 8 p.m.-ish, end of June. And this is room number 420. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour. This is my first time here. I've stayed at many hotels in Panama City. It's the first time in this one. Check-in was good. Decent experience. So far, the room looks clean. It's definitely a little bit dated. Some wear and tear visible. But other than that, it seems to be clean. The pool looks interesting, aka promising. But yeah, so far so good. Yeah, maybe not the most modern or the newest hotel in town, but also you get 2 capsules of coffee for free and a mini small fridge, which is great. I think that's is that a dehumidifier? I don't even know. I'm too tired. It's too late. So apparently this room is 753 square feet. It is a big room, old school. I'm not sure if it's 753 square feet though. There's like city views. I'm not sure if you can see that. Nothing too crazy. Anyway, let me know if you guys have stayed here before. I'm looking forward to another stay in Panama. It's always a good time to be here. Let me know in the comment section if you stayed here before and if you would stay here again, if you would come back. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Saludos de Panama.